171. Set someone up. Meaning, trick, trap.
Example: the police set up the car thief by using a hidden camera.
172. Shop around. Meaning, compare prices.
Example: I want to shop around a little before I decide on these boots.
173. Show off. Meaning, act extra special for people watching, usually boastfully.
Example: he always shows off on his skateboard.
174. Sleep over. Meaning, stay somewhere for the night.
Example: you should sleep over tonight if the weather is too bad to drive home.
175. Sort something out. Meaning, organize, resolve a problem.
Example: we need to sort the bills out before the 1st of the month.
176. Stick to something.
Meaning, continue doing something, limit yourself to one particular thing. Example: you will lose weight if you stick to the diet. 177. Switch something off.
Meaning, stop the energy flow, turn off.
Example: the light's too bright. Could you switch it off?
178. Switch something on. Meaning, start the energy flow, turn on.
Example: we heard the news as soon as we switched on the call radio.
179. Take after someone.
Meaning, resemble a family member. Example: I take after my mother. We are both impatient.
180. Take something apart. Meaning, purposely break into pieces.
Example: he took the car brakes apart and found the problem.